Well, Halloween's over. What are you supposed to do with these old, nasty, rotting pumpkins?
Haley, come this way. Haley.
I'm out at my niece's soccer game at this massive indoor complex.
Go team, go! Kick it!
Oh, close. Water break. Quick, quick, quick.
Go, go, go.
Get back out there. Nice kick. Good job, Cam. You want to play too? Woo! Run, run, run. High five. Good job. You did great out there. Haley, you gonna kick it? You gonna kick it? What did I start? You gotta go fast. Go, 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 go.
No, I know.
What's some cool shots I can get?
So, really cool idea. It's going to be over there.
So, Cameron's got a plan, but I told her we should do the Marshall Plan instead.
My town, my rules.
Oh gosh. Oh gosh. I'm the adult. I should probably stop this. My sister just got done building her, well, not really done, but she's building her house right now. Katie, what are you most excited for?
This house will be done.
Time to get some ATV riding in. I'm about to ride the quad up here on the hill. One time I was actually riding here with my friend Brian. He was driving, I was on the back. Over this little ridge is that the hill actually turned slightly to the side. We were going so fast. We hit like a little divot, little hole, and the ATV bucked us off ATV kept going down the hill. I got up immediately, started running after it and jumped on. We basically acted like it never happened. Quads on the farm never gets old. That was a fun day. Good day out at the farm. Is today the 12th? Yeah. Tomorrow's the Super